By simply transcribing, one can earn more than $2,000. When I initially heard about this strategy, my response was, wow, that is completely groundbreaking. I mean, who wouldn't be happy with such a salary? Let's get one thing straight. Money is indeed everything. Everything in the universe must be doable with money, right? Obviously, if you're watching this video, you're seeking for ways to earn substantial money online. And believe us, you've arrived at the correct location. In this video, we will demonstrate how to rapidly and easily generate a substantial amount of money by transcribing. This is a top-tier strategy with various advantageous features and benefits that are in line with your game. This is compatible with any device. This is also available on all 7 continents of the world, and it does not require any technological expertise or prior knowledge, since even a complete novice can use it. And with prices rising, oil costs rising, and everything else rising these days, you will need that extra $2,000 without a certain. It would be of tremendous assistance. So make sure to watch the entire video because we will show you where to apply as a transcriber at the conclusion.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills. And we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits.
The domain name is happyscribe.com. This website is brand new. This is a website that makes money. It is an all-inclusive transcription and subtitling platform. Does this require any experience to perform this? Basically, no. You do not need any prior experience. It is appropriate for beginners or novices, and only a laptop and an internet connection are required. It is irrelevant which laptop you use so long as it functions, since this application is web-based. You must be at least 18 years old to apply, and you can apply for a part-time or full-time position. In addition, no minimum hours are necessary. It is absolutely your decision. One of the benefits of freelancing is the ability to choose your own schedule and work whenever and wherever you choose. This is open to anyone who would like to work from the comfort of their own homes, as well as students and individuals looking to earn extra money online. You're compensated for every minute of audio or subtitles that you transcribe, with remuneration varying by language. Now, please scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Scroll down until you locate the freelancers and then click Transcriber. Then you'll be routed to this page. Remote transcription jobs. Benefit from the freedom of working from home. Join a global network of transcriptionists from the United States, the United Kingdom, Spain, France, Germany, Canada, Kenya, and the Philippines. As of now, you will be paid with this amount per minute, with an average monthly salary of this amount and a maximum monthly salary of this amount. So how does it work? These are 3 steps involved. You must first submit an application, take a test, and fill out a questionnaire. Second, choose a transcription and begin working on the selected file. You will get compensated on the 1st and 15th of every month. Let's discuss the application procedure. There are additional 3 steps. First, you must register, enter your information, and select your preferred language. Second, you will be required to proofread a sample file script. Ensure that you adhere to the transcription guidelines during the test. You will be permitted to review them. Third, they will review your application and contact you via email if you are accepted. To apply, click here and provide your name, email address, and password. And below that, as you can see, you may actually apply for other languages if you are proficient in a language than English. So let's choose English for the moment. Once you have completed all of that, simply click here to register. After that, you should have received an email with a link to start, so make sure to check your inbox for this. Click on Start My Application. This is the application procedure for HappyScribe. First, you must carefully review the transcription and subtitling guidelines. You will then proceed to the subtitling examination. This test typically takes between 1 and 2 hours to complete, but there is no limit, so take as much time as you need. Your modifications will be automatically saved, allowing you to close the browser and resume the test at a later time if you have logged out. You can continue the test with the same email address and password you used to submit your application. Next, we must review the guidelines. The only way to effectively complete this application is to read and comprehend these instructions, as they are somewhat lengthy as the majority of suggestions. This factor will decide whether or not your application is accepted. Again, please read these carefully and correctly if you're truly interested in this position. When you're through, scroll down and click on I am ready to take the test. You will be shown a video and will be required to provide subtitles before submitting, so please double check your work. It's all or nothing. You either pass or fail. Then you will be required to complete a brief personal information questionnaire. Now, you must simply wait. Check your email to discover if you pass a test. If you passed, you'll receive an email within 1 week, and then you will undergo an onboarding procedure.
Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Now, what if you fail the test? If you failed, you may or may not receive an email. However, they would not explain why you failed the exam. But don't worry, you can actually reapply with the same email after 3 months. Let's discuss compensation and payment alternatives today. Currently, only Wise is used for payouts. The currency rate on Wise is more than on PayPal, and in addition, the payment is instantaneous. And as previously stated, this amount is a rate per minute in real time. If you're one of the top earners, you can earn up to $2,000 per month on this platform, which is relatively significant compared to other platforms. Isn't that incredible? By transcribing, it is possible to earn that much money. It literally cannot get any better than that. Here is our concluding statement. You must first conduct your own study, determine what the topic is all about. This position requires a keen eye and some research abilities. You will be dealing with topics ranging from everyday to specialized conversations. Therefore, it would be beneficial if you have excellent language skills. And you should be good with grammar and can stand typos or misspelled words. You should be attentive to detail and can spot even the smallest errors in the text, and is willing and able to use your research skills to learn more about the topic or vocabulary employed. And most importantly, you must be a patient individual. The style recommendations can be learned and implemented in your work. However, it is impossible to know everything. Google is therefore your new best friend. Overall, this website offers the most remuneration for transcription. The amount you will receive will be determined by your skill level, productivity, and number of completed tasks. You will be paid every minute as a transcriber, as opposed to other jobs where you're paid per hour. In addition to hiring individuals from all over the world, what we appreciate more about Happy Scribe is that the transcribers are paid fairly. Now, for the website's downsides, because this is a freelance position, project availability cannot be guaranteed at all times. Additionally, only 5% of those who apply pass the examination. You should have a keen eye and study the instructions carefully. But if you're dead serious about this job, this can help you make money online, and we strongly suggest that you use this website and put your best effort and heart into it.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up.